In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate names in Excel. If you've got a list of full names in a single column and you want first and last names in their own columns, this method is quick and reliable. Before we start, take a quick look to the right of your names and make sure there's at least one or two empty columns. That gives Excel room to place the split results without overwriting anything important. If you're working with critical data, it's a good idea to make a quick copy of the names column, so you can always go back if needed. Begin by highlighting the cells that contain the full names. You can click the first cell and drag down, or use Shift-click to select a long list. With the name selected, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for organizing and transforming information. Next, click Text to Columns. This opens the Convert Text to Columns wizard, which guides you through splitting the content. On the first screen, you'll typically see that Delimited is already selected, which is perfect for names separated by spaces. You don't need to change anything here. Just click Next to move on. Now you'll choose the Delimiter, which tells Excel what character divides the parts of the name. Check Space. As soon as you do, look at the data preview at the bottom of the window. You should see the full names break into separate columns at each space. That means a typical first and last name will show 2 columns, and names with a middle name or initial may show 3. That's normal. Excel is splitting exactly where the spaces are. If everything looks right in the preview, you're ready to complete the process. Click Finish. Excel will immediately place each piece of the name into its own column to the right of the original. If it seems like something important got replaced, don't worry. Press Undo, insert a blank column next to the names, and repeat the process so there's room for the results. A couple of quick tips as you review your data. If some names include extra spaces, you may notice more columns than expected. That simply reflects the spaces in the original text, and you can clean up or delete any unneeded columns after the split. Also, if you plan to sort or filter by last name, make sure you know which column it landed in, especially for names with multiple parts. And that's it. Highlight the names, go to Data, choose Text to Columns, click Next, check Space, and click Finish. Simple, fast, and a huge time saver.